In this video, I am going to teach you how to integrate Clickup with Microsoft Outlook Calendar so you can sync your tasks and events seamlessly. Make sure to stay until the end to help you stay even more organized. Let's get started. Go to clickup.com and sign into your account. Make sure you're logged in with the correct workspace. Click your profile icon at the top left corner. This will open your main account settings and shortcuts. In the drop-down menu, choose App Center. This is where you can find all available integrations for Clickup. Now in the search bar, just search Outlook Calendar and choose Outlook Calendar from the list. This will take you to the setup page for the integration. Just click Connect and follow all the prompts that appear to authorize and link your Outlook account. Make sure you allow permissions for smooth syncing. And that's how you integrate ClickUp with Microsoft Outlook Calendar. If this helped you out, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to How to Tutor for more quick and clear tutorials. See you next time!